As many of you know, I have been trying as a small businessman to start my business using the YouTube platform. And if you continue to follow my progress, we will find out if I can succeed or not. But I am well aware of the difficulties that exist today in trying to build a small business. In my area here in North Carolina, I really haven't noticed a large number of malls shutting down, but there are a few. But if you will do some research on the internet, you will find there are many malls shutting down across the United States. You can't help but notice the number of retail stores and restaurants shutting down. Many of you would say it's because of what transpired in March of 2020. But businesses were shutting down at record levels in 2019. I would have to say it is getting much harder for small business to compete today. I don't think it's impossible, but I feel like the day will come when it will almost be impossible to start a business the way I'm trying to start mine right now. I am starting my business on a shoestring budget and trying to compete with people spending thousands starting their businesses. One thing I think I need to say is if you are interested in starting a business, start now because 10 years from now, it may be too late. See you soon. Please like and subscribe.